Well, hello everyone, and Happy New Year for 2026. I hope it's a good one for you all. Now then, I wanted to thank you for all the views I've had on this bass guitar build. I think the full build video is now about 35,000 views. And I really appreciate that. It's amazing. And there's one thing that I missed from that video series, and that was a demo of the bass. And this is my favourite bass guitar. I use it all the time. So I've put together a little track just to start the new year, and I hope you enjoy featuring this bass guitar. Cheers.